What's going on again, guys? RMV here, back with another GCSS-army helpful tip and video. So today I received an email from a guy named Al asking how do you pull the ZOAREP report. So without further ado, we're going to jump into GARmy and show you just how easy it is to pull this report. So the T code we're going to be working with, of course, is ZOAREP, overage repairable report. Like I showed you in some of my previous videos, building a variant makes your life a lot easier. Okay, so I'm just going to go get my variant that I've already pre-built. Now, if you don't have a variant built, it's pretty easy. You're just going to put in your sloc right here. You're going to hit execute. Okay, so once the data pulls, come on. All right, so once the data pulls, right, you can go up here. You're going to hit your overage report. So this here is all of the requisitions that require to be turned in. Okay, so as maintenance managers, this is extremely helpful because you can tell if your clerks have actually actioned it. So if you don't see an 18 inbound number to the SSA, your clerks have not done anything to action that turn in. Okay, so keep that in mind. Green triangle, or I mean green square, good to go. All right, so just keep that in mind. This is how you pull your overages. And of course, this will pull your ZRLs and your excess lines as well. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm excited that we're growing our audience, and I look forward to hearing your comments down below. Go Ordnance.